Hey guys, today we're doing a video showing of, let me find the address, 8915 South Burn Mill Creek Road, and we can wait to show you guys how beautiful this home is.
Yeah, you guys, this is really special. This is Sean and Alice with Bayreal Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty. And without further ado, let's get on to this buyer's agent video for you guys. Go ahead, Alice, take us around.
Oh, it's a two bedroom, two bath, and it's beautiful and cozy. So here's the view.
Oh my. You hear the goats outside? Yeah, this view is just stunning. We do have a cloudy day today, but you know what? It's kind of adding to the warm feeling that I'm getting here. There's actually a little kitty door that goes out to a catio. So the cat box is not in the house. Very smart. But this is a wraparound deck. There's the view from the kitchen sink. And here's the driveway. And there's the goats over there. Continuing on the wraparound balcony. Got a dock out there with some chairs. Exterior of the home on the back here. Outdoor seating area. I hear a husky. Hey, there's another husky. And then there's your stairs down to the driveway. And here's the front door. Let's pop in.
Welcome home.
Hey. So we saw pretty much everything here. Let's go look at the bedroom
There's
around.
a guest bedroom to your right.
Okay. So here's the guest bedroom. And then the guest bathroom. And inside the closet, we have a stackable washer and dryer area. Little broom closet underneath the stairs. Peek at the kitchen. Now let's go upstairs. I absolutely love this modern railing and the stairs.
Here you're gonna find a master bedroom and loft. Open. Who's that?
I think that's a great place to set up office because you still have that amazing view to look at. Well, hello there. Got a bangle here. Just love the detail in the ceiling here.
You need to check the bathroom, it's beautiful.
Before we go there, is that the closet? Can we see that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Dude, packing it up.
Oh, wow. I knew you'd like this tub.
Yes. It's beautiful.
Are you a bangle? Are you?
Sure looks like it. Right, sweetheart. Shall we go downstairs
Yes.
and check
The
out?
view is phenomenal, but
Yes.
let's check that waterfront.
Let's go. Okay, Alice wants to take you down to the waterfront, but I wanted to show you the parking area.
Oh, I thought you want to show the goats.
Well, we saw those from upstairs. But here's your storage underneath the home and places to park outside of the rain.
Oh, this one is locked, but there's a storage over here.
Little storage room there.
And
Outdoor shower here.
yeah, pretty cool. Oh, they stay in the over there.
Now we'll take you to the water view. So there's Alice coming towards the dock. I'm gonna give you a little spin here.
Yeah, it's been raining a lot for the last 2 weeks, so that's why you see a lot of wet spots.
Okay, we're at the dock. Let's jump up on it. It's beautiful. What a little slice of heaven.
What a beautiful place to be.
Well, you guys, that about wraps up this video.
If you'd like more information about this or any other homes or a video tour, just send us a note. Our contact information is below. Click us a like and a subscribe, please.
Hey, we appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.